Assalamualaikum friend, today we create triangle pattern in Microsoft PowerPoint just is with easy step. So let's start our today tutorial. First of all, we humbly request to you kindly like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel with your family and friends. Thanks. First of all, we go to control and new slide open, go to layout and type here blank. Reduce size here clipboard. Go to drawing tool and draw here small triangle. Now go to yellow dot and rotate it. Format, outline, no outline and fill shape with totally black color. Go to right side top corner, Control D, Control D, Control A, Control G and Control D. Zoom out. Control D, Control D, Control A, Control G, everything is okay. First of all, so today lesson has been complete. Now once again I request to you kindly give us your valuable feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.